The Samsung Galaxy M series is always about the great value for money, and on the top of that they have provided the 6000 mAh battery smartphones, so the battery life is excellent on the every M series devices. With the Samsung Galaxy M21 and the Samsung Galaxy M31s already in the market, they have now provided the Samsung Galaxy M51. So let's have a closer look in this video on this smartphone. Hey guys, this is Parth and you are watching Mobile Technologies. Let's now get started. So in this smartphone we are getting Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with the punch hole design on the center of the smartphone. Of course this is the standard 60Hz display and not in the trendy 90 or 120Hz display. On the battery front, we are now have a step up from the 6000 mAh to huge 7000 mAh battery, and I think this is the one of the key selling points of this device. Samsung has also provided a 25-watt fast charging for this smartphone, which is quite obvious considering the smartphone has a huge 7000 mAh battery. So with the 15-watt or 18-watt charger, we just can't top up the device very quickly, right? Samsung has also provided the facility of the reverse charging on this smartphone, so it will be interesting to see how much efficiently this smartphone can charge. In regards to optics, we are getting 64 megapixel primary sensor, and the rest of the camera module is still unknown, but if the rumor to be believed, we are will be getting the 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and other two lens will be the depth sensor and the macro sensor. I will be very happy if Samsung will choose the telephoto lens instead of a macro lens. So let's see how the camera setup will look. Now all these features are powered by the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 730G, and here exactly what the game changes. I am very happy to say that the Samsung has now gone with the Snapdragon 730G with this chipset. Unlike any other M series devices like Samsung Galaxy M30s or M31s, they have gone with the Exynos chip. The Exynos chips are not bad, but still Snapdragon 730G is very powerful, and we have seen in the various devices. So it is a very good chip, and it will be interesting how they will optimize this smartphone for the Snapdragon 730G. Now this is the complete package of the new Samsung Galaxy M51. So what I am thinking about this smartphone? In my opinion, if Samsung will price this device below 25k, to be precise between the 20 to 25k in India especially, even for the base variant, then it will be a very stellar deal for the especially the Samsung fans, because Samsung M series is a very good series. It is a very value for money devices, but I am having only one problem with the Samsung Galaxy M series is that they have always used the Exynos chip, and most precisely they have used the same older Exynos 9611 chip, which is not a bad chip again, but in the later part when you buy a smartphone after let's say 1 or 2 years, you will definitely going to notice a major lag, because it is not that much optimized for as compared to the Qualcomm Snapdragon chips. So what do you think about this smartphone? Are you okay paying a 23 to 24k for the Samsung phone, or you will choose the OnePlus, Redmi and the Realme for the same price range? Do let me know in the comment box below, guys, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel. That's it from this video. Take care.